Welcome to another edition of the Weekend Storage Wars. What are we doing today? Well, we got all this stuff here, and the rest of the stuff is on the truck for the swap meet tomorrow. This is deemed too icky. And also, we are going to cook some ribs. I have some beef ribs here. These are very inexpensive cuts, $5 for all those. The thing is, they're all full of a lot of fat, very little meat. Lot of bone. So the plan is to cook the ribs by first boiling them to release all the fat. Okay, so these are boiling away. I put a little bit of salt in there, nothing else. This is just to cook off the fat in a process known as braising. Stay on there for a while and let this thaw out a bit. I'm trying to quit drinking so much, too much, and that's 6 beers right there down the hatch. I can drink that in about 5 seconds. And I'm trying to not do it anymore. Okay. These guys, whoa. These guys have been boiling away for a while. And hopefully some of the fat come off. Starting to get a little bit tender. And these really don't have any seasoning on them whatsoever. But they smell fine. They're nice, beautiful, nice fresh ribs. Now they're gonna go in the oven. Alright, so the ribs are baking, and I figure I've got this nice thing of hot water and beef fat. I'm gonna just boil some Brussels sprouts in there. Side dish, and I should have put these in the oven, but I forgot, so we'll put those in the microwave, and pretty soon it's all gonna come together. Little ribbity ribs, and just put some of this barbecue sauce on it. Get a little bit of flavor on there, and I'd say about another 10 minutes and we're gonna be having some ribs, Brussels sprouts, and baked microwave potatoes. Ow. A little bit of salt. I don't use a lot of pepper. I think pepper is one of the most overused spices. These have plenty of salt in them from the barbecue sauce. They're not quite falling off the bone like it would be barbecued, but let's just see how it's going to taste. Not bad. Could use a little more sauce, a little more flavor, a little more salt, actually. I like simple food. It's not totally covered up with spices and this, that, and the other thing. You know, pretty hard to go wrong with a baked potato and some meat. I declare it very hot, what you want, and these are also very hot. I'd say it's okay. All we gotta do is sit here and pick away at it and enjoy. Oh, here we are back from the swap meet. This is the stuff that did not sell. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty crates, and I left one there with trash in it. That's good. Cutting down on the pile. Didn't sell any of those for $2. But we did sell another $160 net out of this stuff. More clothes, miscellaneous, $1, $2, $5. It starts to add up. And I still have clothing left. This all came out of the storage unit. I made a video called "The Girl Was a Dancer." It just had an amazing amount of clothing in it, a lot of brand name stuff, new with tags, and I was selling it off for between $3 to $5 a piece. If I had wanted to take the time to list those on eBay, you could have bumped that up to 10 to 15 for 100 of those. I would have bumped another $1,000 out of this. But I'm not really big on listing stuff on eBay for $10. You gotta print the postage, put it in a box, ship it. I'm more of the wholesale seller. Get the money quick, flip the stuff. Anyhow, I'd already made $856 on that. I made another 160 yesterday, so that bumps the profit of that unit up to 1,000 plus $1,400 when it's all said and done. So there's money in the storage auction business. If you wanted to do that really fast, you know, and flip it in a week, that's 1,000 a week. I don't want to work that hard. Here's the aftermath of the ribs. It's all fat. These things have a lot of fat in them. By boiling it and then baking it, you get that. And this is the water that was used to boil the ribs. More fat. Look at all that fat. You can put this in the refrigerator and solidify it so you're not pouring that down the sink, clogging up your pipes. You could also strain this and make gravy out of it. It's a really rich, decadent gravy. But I'm just going to throw it away. And I use this water to boil the Brussels sprouts, so it gives them some flavor. So, for you fat lovers out there, we did not waste all of the fat. I've been laid up a little bit. I had some issues with my foot. It didn't work for a couple weeks. But we are still plugging away. Now I just have to weed through this stuff. Now, if those other ones didn't sell for $2, these naked ones aren't going to ever sell. So, you know, what do you do with them? Donate them? Does the Salvation Army really even want those? The other way to do it is to just do another trip to the swap meet. Put them out for 50 cents. Make another $150. So, that's okay. Anyhow, that's it for this movie. Thanks for watching from Jens Tobias. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.